Hello, what's up guys? I got myself this new toolbox. Let's open it up together and see what's all inside of it. Let's go! So, here we have it. This is the black edition, so everything is gonna be blacked out, but I'm sure that won't be for long because most likely scratches are gonna be happening and it will probably be back to silver. So here we have the long sockets. Here is the next best thing. You've got your ratcheting wrench spanners. That's going to be quite a lifesaver, especially in those tight spots. Instead of just constantly taking it off, on and off before, this is going to save you a hell of a lot of time. So, great tool to have. Oh, it doesn't want to go back in now. Everything feels, when you go put in the back end, quite solid, so it's just going to stick there no matter what. This is your bigger sockets, and I believe this could be for your... that's going to be for your... So you've got these. I believe this would be for your spark plugs, something like that, to be able to take out. And let's look underneath here. Here we've got your short sockets, so you're able to have all of that there. You've got your adapters, spanner socket adapters, all of that there. It's a great start, and also extensions, multiple sizes, which is going to be quite useful. And here you've got your ratchet. So all of the Halfords stuff comes with lifetime warranty, so if something breaks, just bring it to them and they're just going to replace it for you. This is a 200-piece set, so you've got all your different types of Allen keys or Torx, different smaller sockets. There's so much of it that if you're just a hobbyist or doing like to work on your car, this should suffice you as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, the short video, and I'll see you in the next one.